Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Dalila Izzah binti Muhammad Zaidi. My trade number I19103655. Today I want to present about chapter 1. The subtopic that has given to me is which is 1.2. The question: what is an information system? How does it work? What are its management, organization and technology components? And lastly, why are complementary assets essential for ensuring that information systems provide genuine value for organization? Firstly, we must know the meaning of the information system. Okay, information system can be defined as a set of interrelated components that collect or retrieve, process, store, and distribute information to support decision making and control in an organization. This information system can help managers and workers to analyze problems, visualize complex subjects, and create new products. And we must know how the information system work. Okay. In information system have three stages to make sure it work. Firstly, input. Input is capture or collect raw data from within the organization or from its external environment. Then, processing. Processing is convert this raw input into a meaningful form. In this stage also can be classify, arrange, and calculate data. And the last stage is output. Output is transfers the process information to the people who will use it or to the activities for which it will be used. And lastly, information system also require feedback, which is output that is returned to appropriate members of the organization to help them evaluate or correct the input stage. Next question in this subtopic is what are its management, organization and technology component? Okay, organization, technology and management can be called as information system literacy. Okay, and I will explain all these components in detail one by one. Now, I want to explain about first dimension of information system, which is organization. Organization have a structure that is composed of different levels and specialties. The upper level of the hierarchy consists of managerial, professional, and technical employees, whereas the lower levels consist of operational personnel. Okay, the upper level in hierarchy organization is senior management. Senior management must make long-range strategic decisions about products and services as well as ensures financial performance of the firm. The next level in organization is middle management. Middle management should carry out the programs and plans of senior management. For example, engineers, scientists, or architects. All of these people should carry out the program and plans from the senior management, which is they should to design product or services and create new knowledge for the firm about products. Okay. Lastly, the lower levels in organization is operational management. Operational management is responsible for monitoring the daily activities of the business. In these levels, divide into two, which is production or service workers and data workers. Okay, production or service workers actually produce the product and deliver the service, such as factory workers and delivery men. And for data workers, such as secretaries, and they assist with scheduling and communications at all levels of the firm. For conclusion of this organization is all these levels should to communicate each other to make sure the information system work always working and the information always received at all levels. Second dimension of information system is management. Management job is to make sense out of the many situations faced by organization, make decisions and formulate action plans to solve organizational problems. But managers must do more than manage what already exists. They must also create new products and services and even recreate the organization from time to time. Third dimension of information system is information technology. Information technology is one of many tools managers use to cope with change. For example, computer hardware, computer software, data management technology, networking and telecommunications technology, internet and World Wide Web. Okay, for the first computer hardware. Computer hardware is the physical equipment used for input processing and output activities in an information system. Secondly, computer software. Computer software consists of the detailed, pre-programmed instructions that control and coordinate the computer hardware component in an information system. Third, data management technology. Data management technology consists of the software governing the organization of data on physical storage media. Next, networking and telecommunication technology. This part is consisting of both physical device and software, which is computer hardware, computer software, and data management technology. This part also computer and communication equipment can be connected in network for sharing voice, data, image, sound, and video. Second last is internet. The internet is a global network of networks that use universal standard to connect millions of networks in more than 230 countries around the world. In this internet, divided into two, which is intranet and extranet. For intranet is internal corporate network based on internet technology. But for extranet is a private intranet extended to authorize users outside the organization. And lastly, World Wide Web. World Wide Web, which is www, is a service provided by the internet that use universally accepted standard for storing, retrieving, formatting, and displaying information in page format on the internet. Last question in this subtopic is about complementary asset. Complementary assets are those assets required to derive value from a private investment. For instance, to realize value from automobile requires substantial complementary investment in highway, roads, gasoline station, repair facilities, and a legal regulatory structure to set standards and control drivers. They have three major complementary investments that firms need to make to realize value from their information technology investment, such as key organization complementary, important managerial complementary, and important social complementary. First complementary asset is key organizational complementary. Despite of key is used to appropriate business model, efficient business process, and distribute decision making, and more. Second is important managerial complementary. Despite is used to incentive for management innovation, teamwork and collaborative work environment, and management culture that values flexibility and knowledge based on decision making. And lastly is important social complementary. This social is used to be technology and service firms in adjacent market to assist implementation, and the internet and telecommunication infrastructure, and lastly laws and regulations creating fair, stable market environment. That's all from me. I hope all of you can get some input from my explanation. Thank you.